Welcome to another Joosup how-to video guide. If you haven't already, you can download our EV charger sharing app from the App Store and Google Play Stores completely free. And remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell to stay informed when we publish new content. So when you're ready, let's dive into today's tutorial. Adding your first charger in Joosup is quick and easy. From the main dashboard view, hit the link labelled My Chargers. Next, press the Add Charger button to create a new charger. Firstly, we need to set the location of the charger being shared. In most cases, your charger will be located at your home address. If you've already completed your profile info, your address should be saved within your account. So all you have to do is toggle the button stating the charger address is the same as your home address. If you haven't already completed your account, exit this process and go back to add your home address details first. You can always come back and add your charger afterwards. If your charger is not located at your home address, you can simply enter the address manually. The next option is attended charging. If you prefer not to allow Joosup users to use your EV charger without you being present, press the Yes option. Otherwise, leave this option as No. Next up is your parking space features. Here you have a choice of selecting any or all of the following: covered parking, CCTV security, lighting for nighttime charging, Wi-Fi availability if you wish to provide internet access, and finally, disabled access, meaning your parking area is easily accessible for those with disabilities. Choose any of the options that are appropriate to your parking by using the toggles. And when you're done on this page, hit the Next button. Now we need information about the charge points you wish to share. Firstly, select the socket type your charger uses. If your charger was installed fairly recently, it's more than likely a Type 2 socket. This is the most common type of socket on home EV chargers. If, however, you have a Type 1 or even a CCS charger, you can select these options as well. Now you need to select your charger's output rating. In most cases, a home EV charger using a single phase connection will provide 7.4 kilowatts of power. Please ensure you choose the correct output rating here, as it's important to EV drivers who wish to charge their vehicles accurately over a certain period of time. Now choose whether your charger is a tethered or untethered unit. Tethered units come with an integrated cable, whilst untethered units simply have a socket, meaning the EV owner will need to use their own cable when charging their vehicle. Now it's time to decide how much you expect to be paid per hour when EVOs use your charger. Everyone's circumstances are different, but we suggest you set a fee that covers your electricity charges sufficiently to give you a fair margin. After all, you're providing bookable electrified parking. So there's a great deal of value in what you're offering to other Joosup users. Next, set your minimum session fee. This ensures you're paid a flat minimum no matter how long a charging session lasts. And finally, add anything useful about your charger into the additional info field. We've typed some good examples of helpful info you may want to share with others. When you're ready, hit the Next button. Now we need to enter more information about your parking space. If there's any height restrictions preventing tall vehicles from parking, toggle this option on and enter the maximum height in meters. Similarly, if the parking space is narrow or extra wide, check the appropriate option and enter the figure in meters. If a permit is required to enter your community, toggle this option on. If your charger requires any one of a key fob, a security code, or physical key to gain access, then toggle the appropriate options here. If your community, property or driveway is gated, then toggle this option as well. And finally, if you need to tell EVOs a little more about how to gain access to your premises or charger, type as required into the additional info field. When ready, hit the next button to go to the final step. Last but not least, you need to decide what days and times to share your charger. You can choose to share it on any given days of the week. You may only want to share it Mondays to Fridays, or perhaps just at weekends, for example. For this demonstration, we're going to share it 7 days a week. Then finally, select the start time and end times we want to accept bookings. And when done, press the Save button. That's it. Your first charger has been added to Joosup. And as a final note, ensure host mode is toggled on to publish your charger live on the Joosup map.